right, we are heading to Colorado for the week. Should be fun. Gonna go see Matt and Shauna, and Aunt Linda and Uncle Mark, and
whoever else we can find.
Whoever else we can find in Colorado. All right, dogs are ready. Bags are packed.
Wonder dogs.
Let's go. Trinidad, it's break time. What's that? More than halfway there. Close. We made it! I can't believe I'm at. So Shauna is an excellent host. Look at our guest bedroom. Oh. Look at this. Look at that. Who does that? That's amazing. Look at this. This is Minnie, and this is Zinko.
Down in the foyer. You go to laundry basket?
That's Matt. With the stash. And that's Shauna. Super fun. We're gonna head back home, get to bed. Full day tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.